In today's video, we talk about how to get best Webtoon promo codes in 2025. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. Reputable coupon sites like Deals Export and Coupon Kudos compile and update promo codes for various platforms, including Webtoon. For instance, Deals Export has listed active promo codes for February 2025, such as Gritalove 9. Free coins expires on April 15th, 2025. Velocity 15, 15% off coins, store, valid until January 31st, 2025, with a minimum $20 spend. Tune, 10% discount on in-app purchases, valid until February 28th, 2025. Happy 2 years. 15% off purchases above $50 expires on May 1, 2025. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.